Okay, hello guys, and welcome to new video, which is actually in the morning I already share my analysis. Okay, I did it all. Okay, I give the zone which is here and here, and my expectation can collect at the highest price. But if he collect at highest price, hit our SL, right? So our lucky, gold keep falling, and keep falling. So the next stop is gold must reach here. Okay, if you want put TP, just put TP in white zone or just set break even like me. Okay, I already set break even all entry. As you can see, this is all price, same price. If I entry at 1982, I set SL remain same. Okay, 1982. So actually if I close now all, okay, current profit running 282, and I already close around $400. I think it's good, right? So if I close all, maybe I can gain around $700. If I close all, okay, $700 sharp if I close all. But I still want hold partial, just set break even because I want close at white zone. Okay, $700. Okay, I give you guys log in this account. Okay, I already share my password. So your job is simple. Follow 100%. Okay, follow 100%. Which is if I gain $700, maybe you can gain $500 or more, $1,000. So I hope you guys can see how I make it profit, how I layer, how I give re-entry, how I put BE, and how I remove my BE and re-entry again. So I hope all clear. So I hope you guys will know how I entry. So enjoy all profits. Enjoy, okay? Because today all signal gain profit 100%. So if I close, I already close, okay? I already close my profit for today. This is my current capital. I grow same amount with you guys. So this is my current capital. So I hope you guys can gain. Okay, this is week 3. Okay, I hope you guys can gain like me, because all transparent. Okay, I share all transparent, signal transparent, I close transparent. I not overclaim, because why I claim around 500 pips? Because I hold with you guys, I hold with break even. So this is the real channel. You can join me if you still not join